Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to convert the dark activated device we used to control street lighting system or outdoor lighting system we did in our previous video. In case you missed that video, click the link in the description. Light activated devices have a lot of potential applications in security systems to detect intrusion and for counting product in production line. We are going to achieve that by making few changes. So as I earlier mentioned, you can convert this using two methods, either by just swapping the configuration of the relay from normally open to normally closed, just by changing the relay without changing anything on the electronics side. So now what I will show you that the second method, we are going to revert back to our normally open relay. We are going to change that to our normally open relay. Then we'll now change the position of LDR and the variable resistor by interchanging the variable resistor and the LDR. You can have a light activated device. So let me do that quickly. So make sure that you switch off and disconnect the AC socket, the load from AC socket. So I'm going to use our previous connection using the normally open configuration. So let's just do this. So now, let me swap the position of the LDR. Let me swap the position of the LDR and the variable resistor. So first of all, to do that, you look at the part of the LDR or the terminal of the LDR. Let me disconnect it from supply. So let me disconnect it. So you have to identify the terminal of the LDR that is connected to the ground. So you remove it, and you now identify the terminal of your variable resistor that is connected to the VCC. You remove it. You now take the terminal of the variable resistor that was connected to the VCC and take it to the ground. Then you take the terminal of the LDR that was connected to the ground and take it to the VCC. So one more thing, you remember the middle terminal that we left out? So all you need to do is to connect it to the LDR. So the second method is just by swapping, as I mentioned. So all you need to do is to take the middle terminal and connect it to either of the two terminals. You can either take it to the ground where the other terminal is connected, or to where the LDR is connected. So you can connect it together with either of the two terminals. The middle terminal can be connected with either of the two terminals. So this is the only thing you can change, so by swapping the position. So let's see how it works by swapping the position. So let's see how our so this is our light activated device. So it's the same thing. So you either swap the position of the relay from normally open to normally close to achieve that without changing the position of the dark activated configuration, or you can maintain your relay and now swap the position of the LDR with the variable resistor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.